Engineering computation hack for concrete slab. Multiply length and width of 5 meters and 8 meters to get 40 square meters. Multiply the area of 40 square meters to thickness of slab of 0.10 meters to get a total volume of 4 cubic meter. Total volume of 4 cubic meter multiplied by 7 equals 28 bags of cement. 4 cubic meters multiplied by 1 is 4 cubic meter of gravel, and 4 cubic meter multiplied by 0.5 is 2 cubic meter of sand. Write the quantity of materials on the table. Quantity of materials multiplied by the cost of each materials are computed on the table. Total cost of materials is 14,760 pesos. Screenshot this for your future reference.